that guy doing? That's not the left turn lane. He's in the head-on collision lane.
Oh my God.
I don't know what that guy's thinking.
Where is she? I think she.
Somebody turning into this lane or oh, now he's figured it out. Now he's figured it out.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Oh yes. Yeah, everybody's gonna let you go, buddy. Nobody wants to be near you. He was in the head-on collision lane, not the left turn lane.
That's 800-457-6947. 800-457-6947.
This guy's going to cause an accident. What the hell is he doing? He stopped in the middle of the lane. I wouldn't let him in. He should have got in line way back there.
Number 488-413. News Radio 600 Kogo. Live.
Oh, you sorry.
Breaking.
You so sorry. You're so lucky.
Ahead of today's market open.
You should have got in line way back there, buddy.
Miss a day, even due to the coronavirus.
Anyone showing symptoms will be transferred off base for treatment. Base personnel will have no contact with those quarantined. Reporting live at NCAS Miramar.
I feel like we were the last trick-or-treaters when we were coming to the park.
Yeah, there's not
It was
many.
dead quiet.
Whoa! The heck is going on with the drivers tonight? Did you see that?
I didn't trick-or-treating until I went to high school.
Whoa!
What's going on with him? What's going on?
He's got a black truck parked in there. You couldn't see it. That's the cheapest I've seen now. Not even be on base. On base might even be less. Oh, here comes another Bigfoot. Walking in the middle of the street, got traffic coming. Look out! Look out, Bigfoot! There's cars coming. Okay, he slowed down for you. Good golly. What the heck is going on here again today? It's one of those days.
We have some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What the does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
She dropped out of the race.
Whoa, Bigfoot! Look out, Bigfoot!
Until the Iowa caucus.
What are you doing?
66 days
Crazy?
to the New Hampshire primary. The South Carolina primary is on February 29th.
Good job running the red light there, bicycle. Good job running that bicycle right through the stop sign there, buddy. Good stopping on that stop sign too there, buddy. Man, none of them like to stop down here. Buddy, that's not the way you're supposed to be riding a bicycle. Whoa. What the fuck is that guy doing?
I get that. But I see absolute panic to the point that you have people that are afraid to go to the mailbox.
Good job,
you
buddy.
You have travel plans booked. I have travel plans booked.
Panic stock market, but you watch what happens to gas.
Had a bad traffic jam. People trying to get on the 805.
One more thing about Mohammed bin Salman. This past weekend.
Whoa, that's why. What in the heck happened up here? Oh, that's not good. That car went into the tree back there.
What?
And look at that guy right there trying to get off. It's a crazy day.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running
real-time traffic every 10 minutes on the 10s. And what's going on out there, Kevin?
Yeah, plenty of rain coming down, snow in the mountain areas there. Did you say it's a cold mess?
Yeah, which
Let's
is it
start that
looks
right
like
now.
a hot mess, but it's cold.
I'm going to start that right now.
Okay, there you go.
Hashtag cold mess
Yes.
on all of my traffic updates. Okay, there it is. We'll get that trending by the end of the show, right?
Ooh, yeah, little
The
Hyundai.
westbound side of the gate, okay, getting down out of La Mesa all the way
Hit the
down to
wall.
Mission Valley. The southbound 125 did with an earlier accident, cleared. Finally, down around Spring Street. It's out of the lane, traffic a little bit slow there. Northbound on the 5, getting up towards Delmar Heights. There's reported an accident there. There was a couple of cars in the center divide. This is separate from the earlier accident at the same area. Southbound I-5 there. So we're going to clear that big rig that went over out to the side up on the right shoulder guardrail. A couple of right lanes blocked off. Still further notice on that one. It was a big rig that jackknifed and then the trailer landed on the guardrail. They got the trailer up back on its wheels. Now they're getting the whole thing towed off the freeway there. Plenty of snow coming down to the mountain areas. Julian getting a lot of snow falling there. Now we just
Yeah,
saw
it's a beautiful day after
camera that we're
Christmas.
watching. Looks like at least 2, 3, 4 inches of snow every time he goes by. That's a lot. Now southbound on the 5 coming in from the North County. Not too bad till you get down into Delmar. Southbound 15. No accidents reported there, but just a heads up if you're leaving San Diego and trying to get to the Grapevine, can't do it. Also the 15 to Home Pass, that's closed as well. So you're probably going to want to put off your travel plans till later this afternoon.